Dear student class 10, today I am going to discuss about the important CQ of 3, 4, 5 and 7. Cynthia. Cynthia went to visit Cox's Bazar accompanying her parents. They become highly attracted seeing the calm disposition of the sea in the presence of the full moon ray in the evening. Afterwards, they noticed the inflation of sea water falling to the bank with a severe force. Her father told her not to be afraid. What is the first question? What is the Bhagirathi? Bhagirathi is a river. Number B. What is the centrifugal force? Explain. Since the earth staying on its own axis or spine move around rapidly, liquid mass water has the tendency of getting scattered from its surface. Such force is named centrifugal force. Due to the rotation of the earth and the moon, the influence of the centrifugal force over the liquid and light mass water of the surface prevails extensively. For this reason, the mass water gets ejected outside all the while and tends to become isolated from the solid ground of the liquid mass water. In the same manner, the centrifugal force helps originate the ebb and flow. Number C. Explain the reason why such a reaction was held in the seawater. Then Cynthia goes to visit Cox's Bazar, though they became astonished to see the tranquility of the sea in the moonlight. After some time, sea water flooded the seashore. It was the result of the tide. In ancient time, the region of ebb and flow comprised of many imaginary tales. But how the scientists discovered that the centrifugal force created by the orbit of the earth in its axis and the attraction of the sun and the moon on the earth create flow and ebb. Both the ebb and flow successively occurs after every 6 hours and 13 minutes. Such inflation of the sea water in a regular course is called the high tide or flow, and descending thereof is called the low tide of ebb. When Cynthia went to Cox's Bazar, it was the time of full moon. So the high tide due to full moon was the inflation in the sea water. The tide, number D. Does the incidence seen by Cynthia have any effect on the economic activities of the human being? The tide has an influence directly or indirectly on the earth or ground surface, the mass water and the economic activities of human being. Due to occurrence of the ebb and flow twice a day, the sweeping existing in the river get cleansed and its water became free of filth or dirt and silt gathering at the river channel and river mouths hindered the flow. The river pits become deeper due to the current of ebb and flow. The tide of water is kept confined by cutting canals beside a number of rivers for the irrigation purpose. Hydroelectricity is generated a lot of rivers in the world by utilizing the tides, such as the Lorentz power plant in France and the hydroelectricity center at Bandala port in India. In fine, it can be said that incidence seen by Cynthia has great effect on that economic activities of the human beings. Next, creative, which is the largest, which is one of the largest deltas of the world. One of the largest deltas of the world is Bangladesh. Why is the climate of India diversified? The climate of India is diversified because a difference happened in her axis, oceanic distance, stream of air. India is situated in the monsoon region. Consequently, her temperature, rainfall, moisture, etc. entirely depend on the flow of the monsoon. The climate of India may be divided into 4 seasons in consideration of disparity in her temperature and rainfall: the winter, summer, rainy season, autumn, and the late autumn. Number C. Identify the land configuration which is B marked in the above chart. Explain it. The B marked area in the hilly region, the land configuration of the hill is given below. The hills existing in the part have been divided into 2 categories, such as the hill of the southeastern region and the hills of the northeastern region. The hills of the southeastern region, this region comprise of Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrachari, Coxsbazar and eastern region of Chittagong district. The hills and mountains existing in this part possess an average height of 610 meters. At present, the name of the highest peak of Bangladesh is Tajingtong, old name Bijoy. Processing Tajingtong, the present name Bijoy, possessing a height of 1,231 meters. It is situated within Bandarban district. The second highest peak of Bangladesh is Keokarang, possessing a height of 1,230 meters only. Besides, there are 2 other mountain peaks, Modokmual 1,000 meter and Pyramid 950 meters. The hills and mountains in this region comprise of sandstone, clay and sandstone as well. The hills of the north and the northeastern region. This part comprises of the hills of the northeastern region existing in the northern region of Mymensingh, Netrokona at the north, and the northwestern region of Sylhet, and the south of Maulabibazar, Habiganj. This hill possesses an average height not exceeding 244 meters. The hills of the north are locally known as Tila. Their height vary from 30 to 90 meters. Chiknagul, Khashia, Jaintia are the main hills in this part. Number D. C-marked land configuration plays a vital role in the case of producing agricultural products. Analyze in it the light of your textbook. C-marked land configuration indicates the flood level land of the recent age. It plays a vital role in the case of producing agricultural products. Bangladesh possesses a vast level land comprising about 80% of the total volume washed by river water. As a number of rivers flow over the level land, they cause flood during the rainy season. Silt carried with flood water have been amassed for years after years, and from this flood level land possesses a volume of 1,24,266 square kilometer. The soil level of the whole The level land is very deep and the land is very fertile. The flood level and land of the recent age may be categorically divided into several divisions, such as the region that spread over most parts of the Rangpur Dinajpur, situated in the northwest region of the country. In fact, this region is formed with alluvium carried from the Himalayas. This region stretches out over the districts of Dhaka, Tangail, Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Kumilla, Noakhali, Sylhet, Pabna, and some parts of Rajshahi. This region comprises of Sylhet, Sunamganj, Moluvi Bazar, the most part of the Hobiganj, and the same parts of the district of Kishoreganj, Netrakona to the east. The Delta Plains comprise of Faridpur, Kustia, Jashore, Khulna, Barishal, Patuakhali, and a part of Dhaka. The coastal level and land comprises of Noakhali and from lower parts of Feni River up to Coxbazar. The watercourse level land comprises of Khulna, Patuakhali region and a part of the district of Barguna. The soil of this region of Bangladesh is very fertile and plays a vital role in producing agricultural products. Next CQ. What is Rupa studied at Rajshahi University. When her father went to see him, she took him to the rivers in the afternoon. Seeing the river, father told Rupa, Bangladesh rivers plays an important role in transportation, hydro power and trade. What is forest? The place where trees grows in plenty is called forest. Why? Water resource management are managed because we know water is very important for human wildlife, hence it is most precious wealth. Water is also essential for agriculture, industrial development. Then we get enough water from the rain in the monsoon. There is a severe scarcity of water during summer and winter. That is why it is very important to manage this wealth properly to ensure year-long water supply, flow and distribution. Water resource management can be done through proper harnessing of water in rivers, canals and ponds. So we have to manage it properly. Next question. Describe the river that Rupa and her father saw. Actually, you have to describe the Padma rivers, which situated in Rajshahi. In Rajshahi. Describe its inception point and total branch, everything. You have to describe the Padma river. And next question. Do you agree with Rupa's father's statement? Analyze his opinion. Yes, I am agree because the river's father told Rupa Bangladesh rivers plays an important role of the waterways in communication, transportation, hydropower and trade. You have to describe your book book, The Role of the Waterways in Communication, Hydroelectricity and Trade, page number 101. You have to read properly it and follow this paragraph for your answer. Next question. Next question. Name of the organ. X, Y and Z function: enact the law, execute the law and dispense justice. What do you mean by local autonomy? Local autonomy is the exercise of certain basic powers. Police power, like police power, power of eminent domain, and using power, taxing power by local government units. Its main aim is to best serve the interest and promote the well-being of locals. Next question. What do you mean by supremacy of law? You have to read it from your textbook. Necessity, the topics of necessity, law of good governance. You have to read it properly and answer this question. Explain the formation of the department. Explain the formation of the department of Z. You have to emphasis on dispense justice. You have to write it properly for this answer. Next question. In Bangladesh, the department the department Y is controlled by the department X. Do you agree with this statement? Give logic in favor of your answer. In Bangladesh, department X is controlled by the department X. Do you agree with this statement? Give logic in favor of your answer. B actually executive department. Y actually is executive department, and X it means legislature. You have to write it properly, and you have to show their difference X and Y in this answer. So have you any problem or any question? Please contact with me.